Hi, this is Greg McCoach, editor of the Mining Speculator. I'm here today with President and CEO Brian Fowler of Northstar Gold Corp. Brian, welcome to the interview.
Pleasure to be here, Greg.
Yeah. So anyway, we just did the MIF here last week, but wanted to follow up with an interview because I felt like we really needed to delve into the upcoming drilling a little bit more. And of course, the excitement is all about these anomalies that Goldspot found. So why don't you talk a little bit about that first, and then let's talk a little bit about this technology that Goldspot's using. So first, talk about the anomalies.
Okay, well, the whole premise is the geophysical data that Northstar acquired over the Miller Gold property this past summer. We spent $350,000 and we did a highly detailed state-of-the-art 3D IP, gravity and magnetic survey over the entire property. The IP was inverted and that kind of stands alone. But Goldspot took the magnetic and the gravity data and inverted that, and then utilized in-house AI machine learning techniques and algorithms to filter that data and used it to determine, scaled it so that it illustrated the three known cyanites that are on the property. As you know, gold mineralization is essentially located around three cyanites on the property: the Allied, the Planet, and then the Mueller cyanide. So Goldspot imaged these cyanites by their algorithms and then extrapolated outboard to see what else they could see by using those parameters. And that work illustrated 8 additional cyanide bodies, highly potential cyanide bodies that in themselves, and everything we know about the cyanites on the Miller property, represent ideal and prime gold targets, exploration targets.
Wow, no, that's super exciting. I mean, you guys did a lot of good boots on the ground work first before you employed this technology, but in combination, it sounds really good, especially in an area like this with such good high grade known mineralization in the area. So that's going to be quite exciting. So do we have any word yet on when drilling can begin?
Well, we're cashed up. As you know, we closed the tranche of a private placement. And so we raised $2.4 million and we're good to go. As you're aware, in Northeastern Ontario, Ontario in general, there is COVID concerns. There's lockdowns right now. Exploration is still, the last I've heard, still deemed an essential service. And exploration and drilling is ongoing, but we want to make sure that things kind of get a little more under control right now. So we're shooting for the end of February, and if not early March. So hopefully going into spring, things will settle down. But we had the misfortune last year of starting drilling in early February, and we elected to shut down shortly after in early April for what turned out to be 2.5 months, just because of complications and concerns with COVID. So your costs go up, everything just, it doesn't work. And it's, number one, it's not safe for people and employees and contractors. So we want to make sure it's right. So yeah, all things being equal, hopefully we're good to go early mid-March this year.
Perfect. No, that sounds good. So yeah, I think we just cross our fingers now and just look forward to seeing what can happen on the drill side. Anything else you want to bring up in the interview? I think we covered most everything of most importance, but is there anything, other comments?
No, I guess one other item is our Bryce property, which it's 100% owned property as well. It's 35 kilometers to the southwest of Miller, and the company's got $4 million in exploration into it, and over the years, and some very excellent drill results. Bryce is an intrusive hosted porphyry style gold target, and it also has some precious metal and VMS type enriched results as well. So So we're putting a 43-101 around that and dressing it up. We can do a bit of work to get it to the point where we can start maybe monetize it or market it. See what we've got a gold market. We want to make sure that we're realizing the best shareholder value we can for the company.
Perfect. Yep. Well, that's great. Well, Brian, looks like we've done as much as we can do, and now we got to let the drills tell the rest of the story. So it'll be exciting.
Absolutely.
Yep. And I like the fact that we have a secondary project as well. That's really good.
So it's good.
All right. Well, with that, we'll sign off, and we'll call me anytime you have any new information that we can get out to everybody. We can do another interview, or just I can write about it in the newsletter. So glad to have you, on the interview today.
Very much appreciated, Greg. Thanks so much.